How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. Instagram does not have a built-in settings to disable profile picture zoom, but there is definitely some workarounds. And here is how to do it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now all you have to do is tap on the edit profile option available there. Once you tap on the edit profile, you'll be navigated to the profile settings of Instagram. Now there, tap on the edit picture or avatar option available there. Then go to the avatar section and make sure that you have toggled on the add to profile option available there. And once you have done so, simply go back to your Instagram account again and tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on the account privacy. Then make sure that your account is in private mode. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.